Hello students, that is continuation of topographical map second. Though I already explained in simple way 4 grid and 6 grid. Let us see here directly in that one. You can see here the scale, it is given the linear scale, and then measured it is given the what is the reference it is. Suppose we want to find it out Katha, that is the area of Katha or settlement of this. Okay, then first of all we'll write the easting, that these lines from that you can see the 77 78 towards east. First of all we'll write in which box it belongs to, then 77. It starts from 77. You can see here we'll write for the 4 grid system 77. First of all we'll write here 77. Then towards northing, in which box it is belongs to, we can see here it is 86. In that one we'll write 7 7 and 8 6. That is a 4 grid. Now for the 6 grid, what can we do? For 6 grid we'll divide into 2 sections in such a way and leave the place for that one. Okay, let us see after 77 towards 78 how much it can be measured. We can measure with the help of ruler. It's supposed to 16. The starts this settlement is start by 16. It is given as 16 by then we'll divide by 2. It comes 8 because the one box is of 2 centimeter, and then we'll write it here 2 8 16. Then we'll write here 8. Then after 8, okay, then after 8 86. Then 86 towards 87. Then how much? 86 towards 87. We'll measure it. Suppose it comes as a 18. From here also we'll divide by 2. It comes 9. So that we'll write it here 9. Okay. In such a way you can find it out 4 grid and 6 grid. And next of the video I'll show you the questions, and according to the measurement we'll find it out more. Let us see here direction. Now for the direction, we already knows there are 4 directions simply: east, west, north and south. In between sub directions are there: northeast, northwest, southeast, southeast and southwest. Okay, suppose anybody wants to go from A towards to B, then what is the direction? It is the direction of southwest. Any of the river and village and road it is given. In that one, how can we find it out? We can find it out as one of the arrow. In between the arrow it is given the direction, it shows the direction, so that we can find it out. The any river is flowing from north to east or west to east. In such a way we can find it out. Now distance we measured direct and indirect way. For the direct way, with the help of scale or ruler we can find it out and then divide by 2 and then write it down. That is a kilometer. It comes in the kilometer. Then it is the well. Okay, the well towards settlement. Well towards settlement, then it can be measured and divide by 2 and it comes in a kilometer. What the answer will come? It comes in a kilometer. For this one, that it is not straight, so that we can use as a thread. With the help of thread we can measure slowly and then measured with the ruler, and then we can measure with the help of ruler, so that we can find it out. With the help of then straight, we'll keep it the thread in a straight line and then find it out how much when it comes, and again it divide by 2 and then answer will come in a kilometer. Okay, now next one is the significance of color. You already know some of the points, as the blue color water bodies it is shown. Let us see here Black color, the name of any river, which the dry water bodies, dry stream, and then well and pond, and some of the boundaries as railway, telegraph, telephone lines. Then it is shows as a black color in that one. Yellow color, cultivated area. Green color, forested area, trees, curves, orchard, and then brown color shows the contours and sand dunes. White color shows cultivated land. Blue color, all the water bodies which contain the water, as the seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, wells, tube wells, and it is shows in a blue color. Red color for the grid lines and settlement roads.